How to switch to KuCoin Lite. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If the full trading interface of KuCoin feels a bit overwhelming to you, then KuCoin Lite is a simpler version designed for beginners. So in order to switch into that, first of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, you will see the drop down at the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and you'll see the select mode option. From the pop-up, you can choose between Pro, Lite or Web3. Simply select the Lite button to switch to KuCoin Lite. The app will now change to a simpler layout. After switching, you'll notice fewer trading charts, simplified buy-sell options, clear and beginner-friendly dashboard. You can always switch back to the Pro version whenever you want by repeating this step. So that's how you successfully learn how to switch to KuCoin Lite. It's a great way to make trading less complicated while you are still learning. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.